Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I will show you how you can submit your blog post or your article into Google Search Console for quick indexing. So without further doing, let's get started. To do that, at first we have to log in on your Search Console. This is my Search Console or Webmaster tool. I will give the link of this Search Console in the description of this video. If you need it, you can come to the Search Console using this link. After coming into this link, select your property. As you can see that I have selected passivern.com. This is my property and I want to index one of my article that I have just written a few minutes ago and it is not indexed in Google at this moment. To request indexing, go to the article that you want to index. This is my article that I want to index now. To do that, just copy the URL of your article. I am copying the URL and after that go to the search console again. From here click on URL inspection and here paste the URL that you have just copied. After that click on enter from your keyboard. So retrieving data from Google Index now. As you are seeing, URL is not on Google. That means this URL is not indexed in Google right now. Now I want to request for index. To do that, after that click on request indexing and it can take some time. Just wait some time. It can take a minute or two. Anyway guys, please subscribe the channel if you think this video is helpful for you and share this video with your friends who also need it. As you're seeing, it's calling that submitting request and it's showing that URL was added to a priority crawl queue. Submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position or priority. After that, you can click on Got it. So this is the process of submitting your URL on Google for indexing. Let's see what is the time now and I will show you how much time it takes to index if you use this method. If I Google now, as you are seeing, this is 11:41 p.m. and this is 7 December 2021. I will record the next part of my video after some time and I will show you how much time it's taking. By this time, please subscribe the channel if you think this video is helpful for you and visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about make money online and about your online career. So guys, I have come back after one day. I don't know when actually it has been indexed. Now let's check whether it is indexed and let's check at first what is the time right now. 1:23 p.m. and it is 8 December and I have requested for indexing my page in the 7 December. Anyway, let's check. To check it, at first go to your search console. This is my search console guys and from here click on URL inspection and here give the URL for which you have requested indexing and this is my URL. As you are seeing that it's saying that URL is on Google. That means my URL has been indexed on Google. So it takes maximum 12 hours for me, but I think it takes less than 12 hours because I have checked after 12 hours. If I checked before 12 hours, then maybe I would found that my page has been indexed on Google more quickly. Now let's check it through Google search. Let's open an incognito window and here search site colon double quotation yoursite.com. And as you are seeing here, if I scroll down, then if I go to, this is my page. As you are seeing, it's on the Google. So my page has been indexed. This is the full process, guys. If you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe the channel and visit our website www.passivern.com. Thank you so much.